Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I am Neeraj khare, science teacher of class 7. So dear student, today start chapter 11 transportations in the animals and plants part 2. Today's topic is capillaries. Capillaries, these are the extremely thin blood vessels that contact the arteries to veins. They allow the substance to pass from blood into the body cells and also from the body cells into the blood. The exchange of substance like food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. between the blood and the body cells take place through the capillaries. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The blood that carry oxygen it is called oxygenated blood. It is rich in the oxygen. The blood that carry oxygen in it is the called oxygenated blood. It is the rich in the oxygen. The oxygenated blood comes from the lungs where the oxygen from the fresh air gets the mixed into the blood and is the carried toward the heart. The blood that is the rich in the carbon dioxide, all oxygen has been the used by the tissues and the organs in it is called the oxygenated blood. It is the format in all the organs of the body except lungs. Oxygenated blood is the bright red in color while deoxygenated blood is drier in. So the blood group of and the individual human beings allow the remain the unchanged throughout their life. Carl Landster described that is the human blood can be divided into four groups: A, V, AV, and O. So, dear students, the Carl Landsteiners described the human blood can be divided into four groups: A, B, A, V, AV, and O. These are named on the basis of the substance present in the blood RBC. Every man has the one of these the four groups of the blood which is the inherited from the parents to offspring and is never changed. If a person gets the injured and the heavy blood loss occur there in a need to the give blood of other people to the patient. The person who's the give the blood is the called as the donor, while the person who's the receive the blood is called as the recipient. The process of donation of blood from the person to another is called the transfusions. Before the donations, the blood group must be matched because transfusion of the different group can be dangerous. RBCs of the patient receiving the blood will stick together and many cases the death of the patient. This matching of blood group is called as the blood group completely. It can be so as follows. The heart is in the organs which beats continuously as the pump for the transport of blood carrying other substance with it through a network of tube or the blood vessels. The heart pump blood throughout our life without stopping or relaxing. The heart is in the organs which the beat continuously as the pump for the transport of blood carrying the other substance with it throughout the network of tubes or the blood vessels. The heart can pump blood throughout the out our life without stopping or relaxing. Look at this picture is the structure of human heart. This is a vena cava, aorta, pulmonary arteries, pulmonary veins, left atriums, mm, balls, left ventricles, right ventricles to have the pattern of the completely spring the two halves, the right atrium, valve, and vena cava. Location of heart: the heart is located in the chest cavity slightly toward the left side. It is between two lungs and above the diaphragm. The heart is made up of the special muscles is called cardiac muscles that do not Fascicles and are not the solid muscles. The size of our heart is the roughly equal to our left closed and is the enclosed in the protective cover called the pericardium. First, the heart is hollow inside. The structure of heart. The heart has four components. Uh, The heart has the four compartment is called the chambers. The upper two chambers of heart are called the arteria, and the lower two chambers of the heart are called the ventricles. On the left side of the heart are five left atrium and the left ventricles, and on the right side of the heart are right atriums and the right ventricles. There are the four chamber is called the compartment. Compartment is called the chambers. The artery and the ventricles are the separated by the valves. These are the muscular flap that allow the blood to flow in only one direction. The right side of the heart carries the deoxygenated blood, while the left side of the heart carries the oxygenated blood. Left and right side of the left and right side of the heart act as two separate pumps. The left side of the heart pumps the oxygenated blood into the wild body, while the right side of the heart pumps the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The oxygenated blood must be kept the separate from the deoxygenated blood to supply good amount of oxygen to the body cells for the respiration and the release of energy. If the oxygenated and the deoxygenated blood will mix with each other, the body cells will not to be able to get enough oxygen for the respirations, due to the which less energy will be released in the body. Heartbeat. Heartbeat, the rhythmic the contractions and the relaxation of the heart muscles, that the periodic and the specific sound of the loved up sound is called as the heartbeat. The average heartbeat of an adult person is a 72 to 80 beats per minute at the resting, but the number of increasing during and after the physical exercise or when a person is excited. During the fast breathing of the heart, the blood in the pumped more rapidly to the organs to supply the more oxygen to the body is called cells. It is the help in the repeat the respirations and the produce more energy. The heartbeat is equal to the number of the pulses in a minute. So dear student, today's topic is complete. Thank you. I send you the PDF for the exercise. So complete your work and send me. So I send you the PDF file for the chapter 10 and chapter 12. So complete your work and send me. Thank you.